June 17th at exactly 6:10 p.m. So started recording, holding my sign out as usual. Very same officer that was with Mr. Clapp on the 19th of May when I was falsely arrested. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Come see which one of us is kid.
He was the one that encouraged Metro PD, Las Vegas Metro PD officer, our Clapp, to take me in.
The world's greatest wax museum. The world's greatest wax museum.
Today he's with another officer.
The world's greatest wax museum.
Don't know the card number, but you can see that. Hello, how's it going? Can I get my ID now? Thank you.
I'm gonna go over to my vehicle real quick, okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Can I get my ID?
You're gonna get back in a second.
Okay. You gonna falsely arrest me again? All right, I'm gonna put my wallet in my pocket because I'm being told to come in the car. Yeah, I just gotta put my wallet in my pocket. Yeah. I got my bag of garbage right there. I'm gonna have to throw away.
Let's keep moving.
Okay, all right. Can I get your name?
Yep, Officer Oswald.
All right. Badge number?
Badge number is gonna be 19446.
All right, I didn't have
my
that
vehicle,
before.
sir.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
What am I being detained for now?
You're being detained for obstructing the public sidewalk.
Okay, obstructing.
You're gonna get a citation today. Okay.
And
then you get released.
And the thing says that when you're participating in a First Amendment activity, that's not obstructing the sidewalk. According to the city and the county DA, that is considered the public easement. And on the public easement, I'm allowed to be there, but you can give me a citation. We'll take that to court.
Okay. Sounds good, Damien.
Okay. I'm going back right there too, just so you know.
Like I said, he just escalated, okay? Citation, then arrest.
All right. I'm allowed to be on the public easement. First Amendment protected, the sign that I was using. Okay, all right. I mean, you can arrest me for that right now because I get a lawyer. Ah, shit, I'll pick that up. I can't pick it up right now. Can I pick it up right now? It's up to you. Okay.
Does your dog have his vaccines?
Yes, he does. That was proven too.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yeah, on the 19th, I was falsely arrested in violation of my constitutional rights and falsely charged. District Attorney dropped the charges all the very next day and apologized and told me as long as I keep doing what I'm doing, I will not have to worry about any problems from the state. You know? So this officer right here was the one involved with Officer Clapp on that day that happened, so I'm being harassed right now.
Are you a service dog or what is it?
He is my service dog, yes.
What service does he provide to you?
Seizures. I'm epileptic. And thank you for asking the proper questions. Officer Clapp tried to demand paperwork. Not allowed to do that under the ADA. Yep. You do know the citation will be dropped, don't you? I have history with him, not just this last time, but a few times he's been around when this has happened. So.
You want to put his booty back on? I don't want to bother you.
Huh?
You want to put his booty back on?
I can't do that yet until you guys are done, then I'll do that. You do know that obstructing the sidewalk has a clause in the law that says if participating in First Amendment protected activity, that it does not count. I'm just making sure I let you know that. This officer was involved in the clap on the 19th, so I'll file a complaint against him as well now that I have his name for the actions on the 19th and the actions today on June 17th. As you can see from the area, it's a wide berth, a lot of walking room. The Venetian has no problem with me being there by the fence. I am causing no problems for people to pass, but yet they've been trying to use obstructing of the sidewalk for a while. It's a catch-all for a lot of homeless people sitting by the side of the public easement holding signs. Hey, sir. Also, Sergeant Parrish and Sergeant Glass of the Las Vegas Metro PD even said that sitting on the public easement with a sign is protected by the First Amendment. The Supreme Court has also ruled that signs are protected. So there's a lot of notification about this law. A lot of notification, so the qualified immunity, unfortunately, discretionary immunity disappears. Can I get your name and badge number 2 since you're involved? Thank you. No. Card. License plate. Okay. I'm sitting here peacefully with a sign. The sign is protected speech. I've been ID'd many times, even though my record always comes back clean. But it's good that this officer came by today because now I know get his name and information so that we can proceed. Hold on, boy. If you look at the law, it actually says it in the clause. So that's the reason why the charge was dropped the last time, because I was charged with stuff that had even said in the clause that what I was doing was not what the law was meant for. So I'm hoping that we're not going to make mistakes like this. And since I've dealt with this officer 3-4 times already, this borderline's on harassment. So Sergeant Parrish and Sergeant Glass of the Metro PD of Las Vegas. Yeah. Hey, Delacruz, what precinct do you work for? Because I assume all of you come from the same precinct. What? So Convention Center precinct? Thank you. Do they call it precincts out here, or do they call it something else? Area command? Okay, thank you. And are you officers or deputies when deputies went outside the city proper? Officers? Because I know that you take the place of the sheriff's department usually, that would usually take, so that's why I was wondering if you were deputies or officers. Okay. Again, politely, I just want to say for the record, again, that I really respect that you're being very respectful this time. The last time it wasn't so much. But I also am saying that I'm going to remind you that because of the clause, it even says so when you open up the obstructing the sidewalk law, it says specifically, unless somebody is participating in a First Amendment protected,
not a First Amendment right.
I'm not soliciting.
You have the sign right here. Okay, this is not admission of guilt. This is just a promise that you'll appear in
No
court.
problem.
Okay?
It's not soliciting. It's holding a sign. I'm not talking to anybody. It's already been clarified by court, but no problem. It doesn't specifically ask. It doesn't specifically ask. The sign says exactly what it's supposed to. So your citation is about soliciting? Okay, all right. You do know it will be dropped again, and I will have no choice but to do the false arrest thing again. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Can I take out my sign so I can get that on camera too, please? Can I take it out from my... All right, no problem. It doesn't ask for anything. It just says, and people can choose what infer what they want when they read. That's allowed under the First Amendment. And panhandling with the sign is actually protected. It's been Supreme Court. All right.
This is your citation for obstructive use of the public sidewalk. Okay.
All right.
This is technically your warning. All right.
Okay. I'm gonna be there again. It's First Amendment protected what I'm doing, but okay.
Like I said, man, if we see you again, it's an arrestable offense.
All right. If you arrest me, then that's a false arrest.
Your court date is going to be 09/16/2024 at 07:30.
All right.
Have a better day, Damien.
So I'm going to go out there and sit again, just so you know.
Hey, Damien, you're a free man.
Thank you. All right. All right. So, what about what she's doing? What about what she's doing?
First Amendment, man.
Exactly. And what about the buskers?
She's not sitting down. She's aware of her surroundings. She's not blocking the...
I'm not blocking either. The wide berth. I'm not, sir. I'm sorry. The courts disagree. I don't have to walk back and forth.
That's your decision, man. That's not mine.
Yeah. But if you keep doing it, even when they drop charges and release, that's harassment then. Because when the courts say that there's nothing here and you keep acting, that's harassing.
So how is it harassment if you are the one continuing to violate the law?
Well, if I was violating the law, the courts would hold me responsible, would they not? So if the courts are not holding me responsible, the law is not being violated. Like I said, talk to Sergeant Paris, talk to Sergeant Glass.
I don't know either of those guys.
They're part of command.
So what we need to do is when we come back, you're still sitting down here doing it.
Okay.
It could lead to an arrest.
If you would like to arrest me, that'd be a false arrest. I'm just saying the county would not prosecute because they won't get the malicious prosecution charge. Okay. All right. All right. This is the sign that they say is soliciting. These signs are protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution. This is free speech. I do not talk to anybody. I do not do anything that's considered criminal. They're saying that this is a criminal act. It is not.
The world's greatest wax museum. The world's greatest wax museum. The world's greatest wax museum. The world's greatest.
This is it. This is the sign.
You don't feed it waxy ass.